Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn about the other points of community decision making. How will be they use the skills for decision making, or on what basis they'll take the remaining points we are going to see. Generally, all the families of a tribe do all kinds of work like cultivation, gathering food from the forest, grazing animals, and making cloths, baskets, tools, etc. So the families of tribal people, they involve in all activities, not only of going to the forest or collecting the fruits and all. Not only that, but they involve in all the works like cultivation, growing of crops, that is going and gathering the food items, food like fruits and vegetables, and making of cloths, baskets, and different types of tools. They engage themselves in different kinds of activities. Women, men, and even children share the work of the family. Yes, like us only, even the tribal people, they share the work with the family members. They help each other for completing their work. However, in many tribes, men have greater power and role in decision making than women. Yes, like in our families also, first they'll be giving preference to men to take the decision rather than women. Men is given first priority, right? So the same way, even in tribal community also, men were treated higher and they are given more power for taking a decision or making any decision. The tribes gave a lot of importance to the celebration of festivals and rituals to people, rituals to please the tribal gods and ancestors. Yes, so even this tribal people who are there, they give a lot of importance to the festivals, like their tribal festivals. They give a lot of importance, like some Makasaraka Jatara and all. They'll be giving lot of importance to them. They celebrate with very joy, and traditionally they'll celebrate. They do this all to please the god, to request the god to give them good environment of living, sufficient amount of food. They'll be pleasing god to see them happily, safely. They also have distinct beliefs, customs, songs, dances, and art and crafts. Like us, we also have, every family have different customs, traditions and all. Like us only, these tribal people also have different types of customs, traditions, different festivals, different types of songs they'll be singing. Their folk songs will be different, folk dance, art, craft, like making of baskets, painting on caves and all. They'll be having different types of art and craft work and all. A tribe may settle in several small villages or inhabitations over a large area. So they'll not be only in one area, they'll be distributed. They'll be moving from place to place, right? So they'll be in a large area, they'll be distributed as a community, like groups will be distributed or inhabited. They'll be staying in small villages. However, how do tribes take decisions about matters of common concern? If any common issue is there in the society or in that local area, if any issue is there, how will they take decisions? They'll sit together, like in villages, panchayati will be done. All people, headmen of the village will be coming and giving the judgment. Let us see how these people will be taking decision, common decision. How do they settle disputes among their members? So if any quarrel is there, if any misunderstandings are there, then how are they going to solve those problems? About all this we are going to learn. We will see how Gonds, a tribe living in Adilabad district, handle these issues. We are giving you a short summary of the description from Hemendra Dhruv books on the Gonds of Adilabad. So here in the next chapters we are going in the next lesson we are going to know how these people are going to solve their common problems or common issues regarding to a particular local area of the tribe, how they are going to solve them, what are the solutions they give and all, using simple examples from books of Adilabad, tribal books of Adilabad. They have taken an example and they are telling us. So let us do in the next class. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.